Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview on a Tuesday, May 26, 2015. Traders coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, bright blue sunny skies and white sandy beaches, and it is hot. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, if you would, please come and visit us at fxclearing.com. Alright traders, let me introduce myself to you as we move along here. A lot of the charts you're going to see look like the same as yesterday, and that's because we had no London session and no New York session, so there was very little price movement. My name is William Gilder. I'm your moderator for the market opening preview series every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in the year of 2006 and 2008. I retired from a wonderful 27-year career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, I came to Thailand 9 days later for a 3-month holiday to celebrate my career. Well, it's 2015, traders, and I'm still here. I do trade the Forex markets every single trading day, listening to fundamentals and looking at technicals and looking for opportunities and probabilities on my side to be successful in the trades that I take. All right, that's enough about me. Let's get the legal stuff out of the way. We can get moving here. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Most of all, traders, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, let's keep going and let's talk about some news and commentary. Okay, so Friday, the US 30 closed negative 0.29%, the S&P 500 closed negative 0.22%, and the NASDAQ closed negative just barely at negative 0.03%. We come over to the Eurozone, the DAX closed flat, and the FTSE 100 closed up 0.26%. The CAC 40 was negative 0.50%. The Eurostoxx 50 closed flat. All right, let's head on over to Asia. And if you remember, these countries are currently trading as we speak. The Nikkei 225 is negative, just barely in the red, negative 0.08%. The S&P ASX 200 out of Australia is up 0.85%. The Shanghai is up 0.85%. And the Hang Seng is up 1.77%. And ending this off with the Kospi at positive 0.02%. So that's what's going on in the indices. Let's take a look at what we have on the calendar today. The calendar today, my friends, is very, very weak. We had some New Zealand data early in the day. We had trade balance. Also, we had some yen news, SPPI. I have no idea what that was, but it came out positive in the green at 0.7%. So today we have only high impact data in the New York session. We have core durable goods orders and durable goods orders month on month. And then we have CB consumer confidence in the New York session. So London has no data today. No data in London today. All right. Let's keep moving on. As far as my commentary for today is, we should be back to a normal trading day. We should have a volatility back in the markets. Everything should be fine. Other than there's a light data day, but it is a technical day, and I think we'll see plenty of traders in the market, and we should see some nice price action. We do have some nice trade setups, so why don't we head on over, and we're going to take a look at some 60-minute Forex charts. And remember, traders, every candle you see on the chart is a 1-hour candle. That means it takes 1 hour for the candle to close. All right, first one we're going to take a look at is the euro dollar. The euro dollar has been in this range, of course, because we had of the holiday yesterday, and it broke out just about 10 minutes before I did this, and broke out, and we're in this range here. We're looking for this 38.2 pullback. Euro is good about giving us good pullbacks. I don't think we'll have trouble getting that or close to it. So we want to make an entry to about 1.1047. We'll take it down to 1.0953. Easy trade setup, nice Fibonacci trade, nice pullback, and away we can go. All right, let's take a look at the pound. Pound really didn't do anything. Again, this one candle. You can see we already have a blue candle starting. Same thing, I wanted a 23.6 pullback, and that's at 1.5515. Now, you know the only bad thing about the pound is it doesn't like giving us pullbacks, but hopefully we'll get some kind of a decent pullback so we can enter this trade. We want to take profit at 1.5457. All right, let's take a look at the Aussie. Nothing happened yesterday. Nothing happened yet today. We'd like to see roll back to the 38.2 at 0.7858. And we want to take profit at 0.7811. That'd be a nice 42, 44 pip trade. Be a very nice day if we can get that accomplished with the Aussie. But again, this is a commodity pair and it reacts to data. So keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the Euro Aussie. This is probably the most active pair we saw yesterday. It did quite move some nice pips yesterday. And, of course, I would not have traded it because I didn't have my computers on. I didn't trade yesterday. What we're looking for here is we want to see this give us a pullback to the 38.2 at 1.4017. We'll take it down to 1.3968 or 70, 75, somewhere in there. Nice trade. What if this breaks the zero line of this fib? Well, we want to see a retest, and then we have to do a reanalysis and see where we're going to take our profit and our stop loss so we can activate our money management procedure. How you want to trade, how many lots, what you're going to do. So the Euro Aussie is moving, and it is showing us some price action. And that's a good thing. Love trading the Euro Aussie. Trades very well. It did have, if you take a look left of the chart, underneath the 200 exponential moving average, yesterday it did have a little gap, but the gap is already closed, so it's not an issue for us today. And the Euro Yen is still bearish. We just like to see a nice pullback here. Again, this one also had a little gap, closed already from yesterday. We'd really like to see this come back to 133.90. I don't know if it's going to come back that far. If it comes back to the 23.6, I'll sell it from there. And that will be at 133.63, and I'll take it down to 133.28. Either the 23.6 or the 38.2 Fibonacci level, either one of those two levels, I'll be more than happy to take this bearish because I want to sell the Euro Yen. And last one of our 6 pairs is the New Zealand dollar. And traders, you can see it is absolutely flat. This is bearish. The New Zealand dollar is bearish. If you look at a daily chart, it is bearish. If you look at this chart, it is bearish. However, I'm expecting a bounce here. This is very strong support. If you open this chart up, you'll see that this is extremely, extremely strong support, and I'm expecting a bounce here. So what if it doesn't bounce? What if, my gut feeling says it doesn't bounce, and it breaks support? Well, let's just get a retest of support and redo our trade analysis and look for where we want to take profit and enter our trade. But I have a feeling this is going to head up. I think this is going to do an up move and get pretty close to that 200 exponential moving average for this week. Could be wrong, but especially on a no data day, yeah, I think that's what's going to happen. Or it's going to continue sideways because there's no data. Because as we know, it's a commodity pair. It had data already early in Asia today, and very little price action. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilda, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining me on Tuesday, May 26, 2015. Traders, always remember to trade smart and not hard. And traders, have a great trading day, and we will see you tomorrow as I do this during the Asia session, and we will get this up before the London Open. Traders, have a great trading day, and we'll talk to you next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.